greens on me, homie, I'm a grown. I got seeds on me, you know I'm a sown seeds. Keep it G, we don't need the GMO it. Anything we need, you know we can grow it. Yeah, I got greens on me, homie, I'm a grown. I got seeds on me, you know I'm a sown seeds. Keep it G, we don't need the GMO it. Anything we need, you know we can grow it. I'm planting my seeds in the ground, sprinkle and spread them around. Make sure that carbon is brown, spread it and layer it down. Make sure you water the soil and feed it with minerals too. It only get better with timing, especially when growing that food. Got the azomite, got the perlite, got the peat moss, got vermiculite. Gotta mix it up, put it in the tray, make the soil blocks. All I need is light, a little water, add a lot of air with a little time and a lot of care. You can grow your plant, you can grow your mind, you can feed your fam, grow enough to share, and we grow because I got greens on me, homie, I'm a grown greens. I got seeds on me, you know I'm a sown seeds. Keep it G, we don't need the GMO it. Anything we need, you know we can grow it. Yeah, I got greens on me, homie, I'm a grown. I got seeds on me, you know I'm a sown seeds. Keep it G, we don't need the GMO it. Anything we need, you know we can grow it. Nitrogen, carbon, potassium, minerals. Somebody tell me what's happening. The garden is hungry and I wanna eat, so I'm feeding the soil that I'm planting in. The season approaching, the timing is now, so I got up and started some seeds. I want collards and okra, potatoes and carrots. The veggies, they got what I need. I want iron, beta carotene, magnesium and manganese, chlorophyll and protein. Gotta start growing greens. Went from barely knowing what to eat, now I feed the whole family. You can grow your dreams into a tree if you roll up a KIP. Because I got greens on me, homie, I'm a grown greens. I got seeds on me, you know I'm a sown seeds. Keep it G, we don't need the GMO it. Anything we need, you know we can grow it. Yeah, I got greens on me, homie, I'm a grown. I got seeds on me, you